Hello. In this video, we'll upgrade the VNX operating environment of a VNX system using Unisphere Service Manager. Unisphere Service Manager is a collection of tools used to update, install, and maintain VNX systems. In order to upgrade the VNX operating environment, we will follow this procedure. We will launch Unisphere Service Manager and log into the VNX. We will then launch a wizard to download the VNX operating environment code for both file and block. We will then upgrade the VNX operating environment for file, followed by the VNX operating environment for block. We will now begin the upgrade. We will launch Unisphere Service Manager. Select the Login button. Enter the IP address and credentials of the system you wish to upgrade. We first need to download the VNX operating environment. Select the Software button. Now select Downloads. Click Download VNX Software Updates. The VNX Download wizard appears. Since we are connected to the VNX, we will select the first option to determine the current software running on the VNX. Click Next. Our system information is displayed here. You can see the current VNX OE for block and VNX OE for file code versions. Click Next. On this page, we can see that a new version of software is available. We will select the latest software version and click Next. In the Bundles table, select the checkbox to download the recommended VNX OE. You can see that the local path where the software will be downloaded to is displayed. Click Next. Enter your PowerLink credentials and the download will start. After the download completes, click Next. We have successfully downloaded the latest VNX operating environment software. Click Finish. We are now ready to start the upgrade. Select the System tab, then select Software, select System Software, and finally select the option to install software. The Storage System Software Installation wizard appears, which installs the software on the VNX. In this example, we are upgrading the VNX OE, so select the option and click Next. The VNX OE for file will be upgraded first. If necessary, navigate to the repository where the code was downloaded and choose the .upg folder containing the VNX OE for file code. Click Next. The pre-upgrade health check will now run. If any errors appear, fix them and rerun the health check. When finished, click Next. You are now asked if you want to reboot the blades during the upgrade or after the upgrade. In this example, we will reboot the blades during the upgrade. Select this option and click Next. The VNX OE for file upgrade will now begin. This process can take up to 2 hours depending on the system configuration. Since we chose to reboot the blades during the upgrade, we will be asked to issue the reboot. We are asked to first reboot the standby blades. In this example, we have one standby blade. Verify that it is selected and click the reboot button. We are now asked to reboot the primary blades. In this example, we have one primary blade. During the reboot, file access will be unavailable. Select the primary blade and click the reboot button. The upgrade will now continue. When the VNX OE for File portion of the upgrade completes, click Next. The post-upgrade health check will now run. When it completes, click Next. We have now successfully upgraded the VNX OE for File. Click Next to upgrade the VNX OE for Block. In this example, we will select the option to Custom Install. Now click Next. In the VNX for Block selection page, you can see a list of currently installed software. Click the Browse button and locate the block software that we previously downloaded. The software will unpack and transfer to the VNX. When it finishes, click Next. In the Server Readiness page, select the checkbox next to each server attached to the system to override the high availability status. When finished, click Next. In the Diagnostic Information page that appears, we recommend collecting a new set of diagnostic information. This is to ensure that you have the latest information in case your service provider needs to analyze it at a later time. In this example, we will use the existing diagnostic information on the VNX. After selecting this option, click Next. The diagnostic information will download. When it completes, click Next. The pre-upgrade health check will now run. Fix any issues that occur, and then click Next. In this example, we will disable statistics logging. A storage processor utilization check will now run. When it completes, verify processor utilization is at an acceptable level, and then click Next. The non-disruptive upgrade delay page will now appear. We will leave the value at the default of 360 seconds. Click Next. We are now ready to begin the VNX OE for Block upgrade. Click Next to start the upgrade. The upgrade can take up to 2 hours depending on system configuration. You will be notified when the upgrade has completed. When the upgrade completes, click Next. The Post-Install Tasks page now appears. On this page, we will re-enable statistics logging and also commit the VNX OE for Block. Click the Run All button to initiate these tasks. When they complete, click Next. We have successfully upgraded the VNX OE for File and the VNX OE for Block. Click Finish to close the upgrade wizard. For additional information, please see the documents listed on the slide, located on PowerLink.